Hello friends and potential friends. Just a quick clip here to finalize or semi-finalize one of my grocery store projects. As you can see, I have another pineapple that is ready to come off of the bush. Not very big, pretty tiny because it's in this small pot. Never did get these things into the ground. Got another one there in the background that is still growing, hasn't started changing colors. That one's about the size of a little bit bigger than a baseball. This one's probably just under a softball size. I'll be picking that one today, and as usual I'll take the top and start it growing again. I'll have one more for the plantation. Just wanted to give you a quick update on that. And just a little bit of an addition to the pineapple update. I was out of town for about 2 weeks after I harvested the last little pineapple, which incidentally is still in the refrigerator. I think I'm going to dehydrate it. When I got back home, this is what I found. Got a pretty good set of roots going on the top of this one. I processed this one the same way I did in previous videos. You can go back and look at those to see how I just peel off the bottom leaves to expose some of the roots. But now it's time to go ahead and put this guy in the dirt, and we will add one more to our pineapple plantation. Just that easy. I'm going to pack a little bit more dirt around that thing, and then it'll be ready to go for a little while. Just wanted to give you that little clip, mainly because the other update I had was kind of short and skimpy, so hopefully this completes this one for you.